Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on direct share on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings and click shut settings. Here you will find it direct share, click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on direct share on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.